Set, crab. Right leg under switch, left leg under switch, right leg under switch, tap. Left leg under switch, tap. Beautiful, beautiful. Right leg full scorpion. Eyes on the toes, beautiful work. Left leg full scorpion. Very nice. Eyes on the toes, nice and slow. Right leg under switch into left leg side kick through. Jump to right leg side kick through. Set deep ape. Ape reach. Beautiful reach forward. Open. And return to deep ape into your loaded beast. Unload. Return to loaded beast. Right leg front step. Very nice. Return to loaded beast. Left leg scorpion reach. Very nice. Return to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. Return to loaded beast. Left leg front kick through. Very nice. Pop it back to loaded beast. Good job with that elbow. Right leg under switch into your crab position. Very nice. Right leg jumping under switch into right arm crab reach. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. And return to crab. And that's it. Great. Good work. Good work. Good work.